what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. If you are running out of plug space at your outlet, in today's video we are going to show you a pretty cool adapter that you can install and give you more plug space. Let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, we are downstairs and behind our little bar area is an outlet, and we have just a normal standard, nothing fancy outlet. However, we purchased this off Amazon. There is the brand. And we are going to install this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets, and it's got a light. So let's go and remove the cover panel. We have a flathead screw, and carefully remove that. And you can remove this entire cover panel from your outlet receptacle. The reason why we have to remove that is on the back side, you see that screw coming through? We have to screw this into the screw we just removed, and make sure you insert it and install it properly. You've got the light portion on the top, and coming to the bottom outlet is your 3-prong, and secure that in place. Carefully align the screw with the internal thread and screw this in place and secure it. Do not over tighten this, YouTubers. It is now installed, and you've got a night light there, and it has a couple different dim options or settings, as you can see, and now it's off. That's it, YouTubers. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, in the event that you're interested in hanging shelves, we have a video link scrolling above. Definitely check that out. You may find it helpful and cool.